Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Candidates for 2017 poll be declared well in advance, demand congressmen. Goa desk in charge Digvijay Singh admits parties wait and watch over Mauvin. Goa Foundation to challenge mining lease deeds in court. Claude alleges Goa government acted partial while allotting leases to mining companies. Digital Ration card project on hold. Government failed to fund. Ambitious project. Sources say file awaits Finance Department sanction since past 4 months. Embankment work for new bridge over Mandovi creates traffic chaos. Commuters furious. Deputy SP Traffic says problem to continue till bridge project completes. And Salgaonkar tranche Pune FC to enter semi-finals of Hero Federation Cup. Derek Pereira's boys seal meeting with traditional rivals Dempo Sports Club for a place in Cup final. Now the news in detail. Congress candidates for 2017 Assembly poll should be declared well in advance, while the party workers and seniors are pressing for the same. Goa desk in charge Digvijay Singh too feels so. He says that the candidates should be announced at least 1 year prior to the elections. Singh spoke exclusively to Prudent after attending a Chintan meet with state Congress leaders. He also made it clear that Congress will wait and watch Mauvin's moves till he defies the party whip.
Yes, we would like to declare our assembly candidates early now.
Early means by this month?
By at least 1 year before the election. That we will try to do.
Party feels Babush Monserrat is with Congress, but party has lost faith in Mauvin.
Oh, Babush is doing all right. I spoke to his wife. My secretary, Mr. Chela Kumar, spoke to Babush also. Mauvin, of course, is now, he's already talking to Mr. Parrikar very closely. That's for him to decide. The moment we take action against them, they become independent. Unattached. So why should we give them the opportunity? Congress party will wait till he votes against the whip so that his membership can go.
AICC will hold a meeting in Delhi in March to discuss various suggestions gathered by the party men to get the Congress back in power.
Is there a need for a change in the ideology of the Congress party? Is there a need for a change in the organizational structure of the Congress party? And what should be our way ahead, our future roadmap? And they are now giving their suggestions. We have to complete this whole exercise by 28th of February 2015. And we shall be having our AIC session sometime in March, April, where we shall decide on our course of action.
Laukik Shilkar and Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Goa Foundation will challenge the mining lease deeds signed by the Mines Department with various leaseholders. Goa Foundation alleged that Goa government acted partial while allotting leases to the mining companies. Till date, a total of 29 iron ore mining leases have been renewed by the Mines Department. Director of Goa Foundation, Claude Alvarez, said that rules for lease deeds are not gazetted by Goa government.
Mines and Geology Department has signed lease deeds with 29 leaseholders. Goa Foundation has decided to challenge the Goa government's decision in the Supreme Court. Director of Goa Foundation said that mining leases should be auctioned.
Whatever the orders they have passed granting the lease, they are not putting in the public. They have rejected my application under RTI. They are not putting in the Goa Government Gazette, which they are required to do by law. Not putting in the Gazette and not refusing to give it to us under RTI. These two actions both very clearly show that the government policy is not transparent at all. That they are worried about their decision. They know that it is a bad decision and they know it can be challenged. So they are only trying to delay by not releasing the information in the Gazette. So I am very happy because if they don't release in the Gazette, those orders are of no use. Unless the order comes in the Gazette, it cannot be implemented.
Similarly, Goa Foundation has blamed Goa government for delay in resumption of mining in the state. Claude alleged that even after 8 months of the Supreme Court lifting ban on mining, Goa government is unable to start mining in the state.
Who closed down the mine? Goa Foundation closed? No, Goa government closed. Now Goa Foundation petition in Supreme Court is over in April 2014. We are now in 2015. Has the Goa government removed the stay order? They have not removed the stay order. So who is responsible for mining not starting? Let the Goa government work, no? They are not working at all. You go to the department, there is nobody there. I don't know where the officers are gone. Nobody is there. It is like a booth bangla. There are no technicians, there is no geologist in the entire department. What are they planning to start mining? It is not possible to start mining with that type of situation.
Reporter Mahesh Khadi for Prudent.
The digital ration card project is on hold as government failed to fund Civil Supplies Department's ambitious project. Sources say department or GEL is not to be blamed. Department had forwarded the file to Finance Department in September and asked for funds worth 6 crores. Sources say the file is still pending before the Finance Department since last 4 months. If government fails to provide data by 31st March, then the central rice and wheat quota for Goa will be stopped.
Civil Supplies Minister on Tuesday had blamed his own department and GEL for the delay in digitalization of ration cards. But official sources have a different story to tell. Civil Supplies Department had planned to collect the data for the digitalization process. The department had sent the file to the Finance Department on 15 September, but the file is still awaiting sanction since last 4 months. Civil Supply Secretary had informed the Chief Secretary in November that the Finance Department has kept the file pending. Secretary of Civil Supplies had also marked a note that department is helpless as the file is still pending before the Finance Department. So this is the fact. Not Civil Supplies Department, nor GEL is at fault. Sources say Finance Department is the culprit. Why is the file pending? Nobody knows. However, one thing is for sure. If the government fails to provide data by 31st March, then rice and wheat quota for the state will be stopped. Our reporter Mahesh Khadi for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.